All right, drink we're about to make is called root beer float. This is one of a few different versions that exist out there. Let's go ahead and fill up our glass with ice, and we'll measure out 1.5 ounces of Galliano. And next we'll add some cola. All right. The last thing we're going to do is float some cream, some heavy cream on top. So hopefully we've got some nice heavy cream here. And we'll get our spoon. And this should stay a little bit towards the top, but it'll probably sink down. Either way, we're getting the cream, which will substitute for ice cream in a normal root beer float. Let's go ahead and give it a straw. And bottoms up.